wasted, friends all around, faded, like we've got nothing to lose. Strangers in my sheets, wake up, rewind and repeat.
Hi everyone, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a power hour. I wrote my to-do list earlier and I will try to do everything in 1 hour. I hope this video gives you some cleaning motivation, and I will also put on some energized music if any of you wants to clean along with me.
Baby, do you ever think of when we were together?
As you can see, I started in my kitchen by putting away all the clean dishes so that I can wash the dirty ones.
And I said, everything is perfect 'cause you're holding me. You and I together like we're supposed to be, 'cause you need me and I need you. That's just my point of view. That's just my point of view. Yeah. Pictures on my phone remind me that I'm on my own, and I don't know what to do. Thoughts are useless, trying to make it through this. I'm still caught up on you. Nothing really mattered when we had it all. Happy ever after was an afterthought, and I've got to know. Baby, do you ever think of when we were together on the 4th of July underneath the fireworks sky? And I said, everything is perfect 'cause you're holding me. You and I together like we're supposed to be, 'cause you need me and I need you. That's just my point of view. That's just my point of view. Yeah. This is the forever that's supposed to be. Everything is perfect when you're holding me, 'cause you need me and I need you. That's just my point of view. Feels like I am dreaming, letting go of these demons. I just wanna know what's on your mind. There's not enough reason, it's not like I need them.
Now, if you watch any of my previous videos, you probably noticed that we have a new stove and oven. Our oven didn't work before and I love to bake, so I'm so excited to try some new recipes and share them with you guys.
Let's not waste no time, just tell me how you're feeling. You still have my heart, although we've been apart. Let's go back to the start. I think we're both too brief. See the tunnel light, it's never been so bright. I haven't lost the fight, you let me keep believing. You still give me chills, I do it for the thrill. Yeah, you still give me chills. Yeah, I feel like I can tell you anything. No white lies, compromise, just stop your ranger wings. Let's continue what we do and build the trust again. You can tell me what to do. Feels like I am dreaming, letting go of these demons. I just wanna know what's on your mind. There's not enough reason, it's not like I need them. I just wanna know what's on your mind. What's on your mind? What's on your mind? What's on your mind? You make me love and hate you at the same time. I feel like loving you is like committing a crime. How can you make me come and act just at the same time and let you take the crown? You made me nervous and I pretend that I'm just fine. I don't know why you gotta keep messing with my mind. Let me open up my heart and let you inside. My heart is jumping around. Yeah, I feel like I can tell you anything. No white lies, compromise. Stop your angel wings. Continue what we do and build the trust again. You can tell me what to do. Feels like I am dreaming, letting go of these demons. I just wanna know what's on your mind. There's not enough reason. It's not like I need them. I just wanna know what's on your mind. What's on your mind.
And I almost forgot that I wanted to start a load of laundry, but I remembered just in time.
What's on your mind? What's on your mind? What's on your mind? What's on your mind? What's on your
Wish I could get through to you, don't know.
Moving on to the rest of the kitchen, we have stuff laying on the floor from unpacking. I will clean that up and clean the table.
You're not alone. Something feels out of place, but you have no tell. It's like we want the same things, but the lines we've drawn are too parallel. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, oh. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, oh. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. To my, who's making the rules I abuse? I'm confused enough. Why don't you think we could talk? Am I not the one who always comes through? Got me in a dark place if you couldn't tell. I know we want the same things, but the lines we've drawn are heaven and hell. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. To my. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. Yeah, yeah. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. Yeah, yeah. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. Yeah, yeah. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. To my.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies.
Now I'm moving into the living room. I don't have much to do here and I don't have much time left, so I will fold a couple of clothes and wipe down the coffee table. And that is it for this power hour. I didn't do as much as I wanted because I spent so much time cleaning the kitchen, but at least that's finished. I hope that this video motivated you to clean your own home, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video.
Hold tight.